Huh. As I was saying, that's that $35 Amazing Zon Chinese tarp. Holding up. Still looks good. I'm impressed with the money. I mean, that's $100 bill right there. That's what I got in this setup right here. $100 bill. Yes. Now I bought this online. I paid $13 for 4 of them. Brand new. Guy cut me a deal because I bought 4. But it's worth more than that. These are good mosquito bars. You got a lot of room. When you lay it on the ground and set it up, you got plenty of room to sit up. Hang a fan under there. Oh yeah, baby. Anyway, y'all see where I am. Indeed. Walk down here and take a peek and see at this gully. But I would rather bring my rifle right here than to get in a shooting match with a damn pig with a pistol. I mean, I've killed them with my pistol and all that, but I ain't wanting to be no wild up. And I can tell you, I get this little scope on him here in 2X. And he's in deep doo-doo real fast. Just saying. We're gonna walk down here to the gully bottom. Look at the creek. See how the water's coming out. We've had a stall today, so that water's had time to go down some. I can hear it running. Y'all see that? That's a game trail right there. Oh yeah, there's a pig run right up here where that cross. That's why I'm carrying this 1022 carbon. Scooting and tooting up in this sumbit between the vines and stuff. It's squatting. You don't want to stick your damn barrel in the dirt. Oh my Lord, no, look. Oh, look at the water. That's what I'm talking about. Tell me that ain't beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, clear as it can be. Sunshine on the bottom right there. You see the leaves, limbs. Look at him bubbling over there. Oh yeah. Y'all see that? You gotta know what you're doing in this damn woods. Get your ass in a bind quick. Perfect spot for a damn copperhead right here. Look, trying to get out from under me right there. End up sticking this so much in the mud. Look here. See that bottom? This goes to Chico Bay, Smith Gully. It goes way around. It goes for several miles. Well, yeah, I'd say it's a couple of miles long at least before it hits the bottom over there, crosses the road. Yeah, I'm gonna put me a spillway in here. Catch some of this. Back it up a little. Right there. The perfect spot. I'm talking subsoil treated. 2x12. Look, buddy. I'm gonna put a spillway in here. I'm gonna put it right there. That's a crossing. I won't fuck with that. That's a crossing right there. There's another one up here this way. And there's another one down here. This gully just gets bigger. It gets huge. Further you go, way bigger than this. A lot of water. This whole watershed in here comes down this gutter. It starts over there on our property in a flat back over here to the north. That's what we're looking right now. We're looking north. I'm heading back east a piece. I'm gonna get to my. I'm gonna take the trail. You see the trail if you look. You see it. Damn pig come running through here 40 miles an hour. The original Rocket Man. 150 pound, 300 pound bull hog. Amaze you. Well, 150 pound bull hog come through this thicket like it ain't even here. I mean, damn deer buck run through this son of a bitch pretty fast. But I'm telling you, that hog don't care where he's at. He ain't dodging shit. He going through it. Anyway. Listen to that. Says I got 2 left on this camel. Still sitting there, y'all. Still dry as a bone. Old base camp. Yeah, I'll probably be here tomorrow evening. Hooty hoo. Let me shut this thing down before I run out of battery. I feel stupid. Appreciate y'all watching. Old Taco from the woods. Listen to it. Yeah. Yeah, you heard that. Later, Gator. Thank y'all for watching. Oh, Taka. Oh, Taka. Ain't it pretty?